Hello everyone, today we are at Pimple Nilak and this is a super luxury segment. The project name is 24K Atria and I am going to show you the 4.5 BHK sample flat of carpet area 2670 square feet. So this is your living area, a very spacious one. This side is your entrance. This is provision for shoe rack, and this is your living room. This is a ready possession property. We are left with only 3 units. This side is your dining area. With an attached terrace. So this is an actual flat. The flat number is 1501, 15th floor. So you can see the beautiful natural view from this flat. This is Mula Motha River, and that side is Balewadi and Baner. And this side is Pimple Nilak. And that side is Aund. Now, this is the first bedroom, guest bedroom. Full size window is provided, and every bedroom will have split ACs. This is attached washroom. This is not a sample flat, it is an actual flat. So cleaning has not been done, but once it is done, then you can have a exact feeling of the flat. So this is your kitchen area. We'll have modular kitchen set and chimney hub, just like this. Gas pipeline has already been installed in this project. So these all things will be provided to you. This is dry balcony. Now this side is a powder toilet provided. This is your second bedroom, children bedroom. You can see the beautiful natural view from each bedroom and your living dining. This side is provision for wardrobe. And this is your washroom. It will have all these fittings and glass partition. Now this is the third bedroom of this flat, a very spacious master bedroom. So both the master bedrooms will have wooden flooring, which has not been done yet. Modular switches provided in each bedroom and living dining. This is washroom of the master bedroom, having glass partition and bathtub provided. This is the second master bedroom. It will also have wooden flooring. The wooden flooring part and completion and finishing part, the cleaning part has not been completed yet. It will get done once you book the flat. It has an attached gallery. These are the existing buildings of 24K segment. These are 24K Glitter RT, then 24K Opula. This is another tower of the same society, Atria. This side is attached washroom. So the things which you will get inside the flat are Italian marble, which is coming from this passage till your living and dining area, as you can see. So this is Italian marble flooring. Italian marble flooring in your living, dining and the passage. Then both the master bedrooms will have wooden flooring. In kitchen you will get modular kitchen set and chimney hub. Each bedroom will have cassette ACs. Now I'll show you the servant room of this flat, which is this side. To maintain a good privacy, the servant room is separate from your flat. This is the servant room, having an attached toilet. You can also club this unit. You can have a door partition in this side also. That is your choice whether you want to do it or not. This is the lobby. Lobby will have 3 lifts, 2 passenger lifts in this side, and this is the third lift, service lift. So it's a very premium segment, and the main thing is it is a ready possession property and only 3 units are left. So we are having some good offers, good attractive offers for you. So please contact us. Our official number has been mentioned with this below this video. Please like this video, share to your friends and relatives, and subscribe our channel for further updates. Our official number has been mentioned below this video. So please contact us as soon as possible. We are waiting for your responses. So thank you so much for watching this video.